Oh, stopped.
Stay. Because I built the city for you. Hello, family.
Oh. Hmm. Hi, Silver. Donkey is already in. And Silver stopped being interested. Dorothy and me built these out of a kit, and I think the cats like it. Silver's a little unsure, but Donkey hasn't left since she got in. So I think she loves it. And Silver doesn't know which one he wants or what he wants to do. Maybe tear up some kitty grass that's dying. Maybe go back in. Maybe catch something. I don't know if he sees something to catch. Maybe just be scared of the dog still. Who knows? They got two, but both are interested in the same one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.